Okay, so I just read about flowglad, and it's this new payment solution for developers that claims to simplify billing like never before.
Wait, really? Simplifying billing is a huge deal. What's their main pitch?
They say goodbye to webhooks, subscriptions, tables, and all these complexities. It's like they want to streamline everything.
That sounds revolutionary, but how does it actually work? I'm curious about the mechanics.
So they use something they call a single source of truth for customer billing data. Everything is centralized.
I see. So instead of juggling multiple systems to track billing, you just pull the data from one place.
Exactly, and they've built an SDK to access customer data easily on both backend and front end. It's like they're streamlining the developer experience.
That's interesting, but shouldn't we consider how easy it is to implement? Is it really as simple as they claim?
Yeah, their installation process claims to take under a minute, just a few lines of code to set up.
Wow, that's quick. But do they provide detailed documentation for developers who might be new to this?
Absolutely. They have extensive guides and they even offer templates for different pricing models, which is a big help.
Templates, that's a game changer. Can you give me an example of the pricing models they support?
They have options like usage limit plus subscription hybrid or even feature-gated subscriptions. It's pretty flexible.
Feature-gated sounds interesting. They're kind of positioning themselves like a SaaS model.
Exactly, they're targeting both B2C and B2B apps, which is smart. It broadens their market.
But isn't this market already saturated? What truly sets flowglad apart?
Good question. They emphasize a self-serve approach, claiming to improve the developer experience dramatically.
Self-service is crucial. Developers don't want to deal with sales for setup. That's a win for them.
Definitely, plus they aim to integrate more payment providers through a single solution.
That could save tons of time. But do we know if they've actually delivered on these promises?
Well, the project is still new, so we'll have to keep an eye on feedback from early adopters.
Right, the feedback loop is essential. If it's too complicated, developers will just abandon it.
Exactly, it's all about usability, and they're claiming to make payments less of a headache.
That's a tall order. So much can go wrong with payment systems. What's their strategy to mitigate that?
They want to minimize integration and maintenance time, which should theoretically reduce errors.
But what about security? Payments are sensitive, and that's a big concern for developers.
Good point, they haven't detailed security measures extensively, which is something to consider.
Yeah, without robust security, all those integration benefits could mean little if data is compromised.
Right, so they need to prove they can handle that side of things as well.
Speaking of proving, what do you think their long-term goals are? Do you think they can really disrupt the market?
They seem determined to change how developers view payment systems, which could genuinely shake things up.
That's bold, but disruptions often come with growing pains. They'll need to adapt quickly.
For sure, and with AI becoming more integrated into development, the timing might be perfect.
It's all about addressing that growing complexity in startup billing, right?
Exactly, the urgency is definitely there. It's fascinating to see where this goes.
I'm curious about how they'll handle scalability as user bases grow.
Totally, that's a key challenge. They'll need to ensure their system can handle the influx.
And let's not forget about customer support. If things go sideways, users will want immediate help.
Great point, good support will be crucial for user retention and success.
So what's our takeaway here? Are we optimistic about flowglad?
I think there's potential, but they need to back up their promises with solid execution.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see how they evolve and if they can indeed simplify billing.
Me too, it's like opening a new chapter in payment solutions for developers.
And that could lead to even more innovations down the line, right?
Exactly, so many possibilities. Let's keep an eye on how this unfolds.
For sure, I feel like there's a lot more to uncover here.
Agreed, and we'll definitely need to revisit this topic in the future.
Absolutely. Until then, let's keep exploring.